Do the Sigma.
Welcome back, everyone. Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the joys of gay sex. Ross is going to teach us all about the joys of gay sex.
Welcome back to Mazda, guys. Today we're going to be doing an insane thing that's... You just ruined my seats! How could you do this? Guys, this seat ain't it. So, over the last few years, there's been complaints on the quality of this seat. There's been springs in it in people's asses, and that's not
pleasurable.
Come diciamo. That's not very good. We're only 3 kilometers away from the camera right now, but we're changing these seats. Then say goodbye to these seats. Say arrivederci.
Avicii.
So yeah, no, we essentially we're changing the seats. There's gonna be look at the crop off. The crop off is incredible. Yeah, I've just been climbing for the last 32 hours. I've been grinding in Civ. Been grinding in Civilization 8. It hasn't come out yet, but we've been grinding it.
Bro's holding his nipple. Give it a little pinch.
I've just been
pinch and twist.
I think it makes the most sense that I pinch my nipple at all times throughout the video. So we're changing the seats. We've done extensive research, and we've ended up not going with anything that we've researched. And instead, I went on Marketplace within minutes and just found seats that fit, and that's what I'm gone with because they were under $1,000. We're gonna get into it. It's gonna be an insane video. You've never seen anything like this before. You've never seen it before. This seat, say goodbye. Throw it really far. Throw it into that car over there. Get rid of it. Get it out of here. We're slashing prices.
Welcome back to Mazda.
So we've had some big things now recently. Very recently, we've had some insanely big things. The seats, the carpet, it's all getting replaced. You'll see what's up. Right now we have sound deadening to remove. And by we, I mean me. Just the remainder of that. I tried doing it normally. Got some dry ice. This is gonna go crazy. Oh my God.
Stuff's quite dangerous to work with. It's extremely cold. Hopefully it gets a lot easier to get off now.
For every challenge you give me, you grow sweeter like a bee. That's amore. Fiat 126. Why does nothing work for you? Small Italian girl.
Gotta go. Look at that, Lightning McQueen red.
Pay the shipping. You're dripping.
This is the carpota. This is the carpota.
Well.
Excuse me. You know how fast you were going today, mate? You know how fast you're going, mate? Guys, we finished the seats. Can you believe this? What do you think? Just throw those seats as well.
Look how much it moves.
What do you think?
Look how much
That's
it moves.
so strong. Oh my God, it's not moving at all. So these are the seats, guys. Welcome, surprise. I think I may have shown them earlier, but this is pretty much perfect. We've got new carpet in as well. Repainted the floor. It's extra strong now. New sound deadening. We're missing that thing. I think it's more like authentic. I've taken it out. We're doing weight reduction. They look like Porsche seats, man. I really like them. Brown leather.
Tell them what they actually are.
That was kind of my dream seats. Well, the idea essentially was that we had something we could adapt. So if we did ever want to go more like race and buckety in the future, then you could just look up the car and find them, because there's no Fiat 126 seats for sale, but there are MX5 ND seats for sale that can be easily found, and there is so much more aftermarket support with those cars as well compared to this. Like this has zero aftermarket support.
Bit of wrinkle on your asshole.
There's a little bit of asshole wrinkle, but that's just part of the charm, I think.
Normal.
Well, you have a classic car, you expect some asshole wrinkle. Hey man, thanks for joining in on this project. This is an insane
Hey guys,
project.
just got to take a minute and thank you. Like, this wouldn't be possible without you guys.
Without Connor either.
Who's Connor?
I don't know. He's not here. He's paying for Hulu. He's busy paying for Hulu right now. He's with Matt. This car is never going to be on the road ever again. I promise you. In the next video, we finish the suspension.
It's a lot stiffer.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. But yeah, no, thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate everything you've done. Rusty's now just destroyed the battery single-handedly. He's fixed the battery. He's destroyed the battery. I knew he was going to do it again. He's predictable. Our master mechanic, Rusty, has done some alterations. Is it better? The snake! The snake!